Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to prevent unauthorized access to your eBay account. So firstly, let's open eBay application on our device and then tap My eBay section at the bottom side of your screen, scroll down and enter Settings. Then go to Sign In and Security section, and now firstly change your password if you haven't updated it recently. So to do that, press Change Password button and basically create a strong and unique password, at least 12 characters with different letters, numbers and special symbols, and of course avoid using the same password across different accounts. Next, two-step verification is a very important thing also. So this is the two-step verification, and as you can see, I have already done the two-step verification, but basically eBay application will offer you to choose to receive a code by text or use an eBay app. It's very simple, so don't worry about that. Just choose the method that is comfortable for you and enter the code you will receive. Two-step verification adds an extra layer of protection, so even if someone guesses your password to your account, this person cannot log in without your phone. What else? Go again to Settings and find Personal Information section, and double check your email address and your phone number under your account settings. Make sure they are correct and active, so you can quickly recover your account if it's needed. What else? You need to always use the official eBay application, or go directly to ebay.com page in the browser when logging in, and you should never sign in through links sent by email or text, because that's how phishing scams happen. And also you can turn on Face ID, Touch ID, or a strong passcode on your iPhone to protect access to your applications, to your apps. That's how you can prevent unauthorized access to your eBay account. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.